Have you ever felt like your spark has dimmed? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we'll explore useful tips and an herbal supplement that can help you reignite that passion. How to boost libido in women. Boosting libido in women is all about understanding the body and mind connection. Many factors can impact desire, from stress and fatigue to hormonal changes. Focusing on nurturing your emotional and physical well-being creates an environment where passion can flourish. Imagine feeling more energized and confident in your intimate relationships. The good news is that natural methods can improve your libido and help you feel more in tune with your desires. Natural herbs to boost libido in women. Shatavari, Asparagus racemosus. Shatavari is renowned for its adaptogenic properties, which help balance hormone levels and support reproductive health. It improves desire by nurturing the female reproductive system and promoting overall vitality. Nagbala, Seta spinosa. Nagbala is valued for enhancing female libido by stimulating the reproductive organs and increasing blood flow to the pelvic region. Its role in balancing hormones can lead to improved intimate desire and satisfaction. Safed muesli, Asparagus ascendens. Safed muesli is celebrated for its potent aphrodisiac properties, which can improve libido drive and intimate function. It works by increasing stamina and balancing hormonal levels. Ashwagandha, Withania somnifera. Ashwagandha is known for its adaptogenic effects, which help manage stress and fatigue, which can negatively impact libido. By reducing stress, it helps improve intimate desire and performance. Natural supplement to boost libido in women. Lady Fire Capsule is a natural supplement that elevates female libido and promotes holistic wellness. It features a powerful combination of 12 herbs, including shatavari, safed muesli, and ashwagandha, which work together to improve intimacy desire, increase stamina, and stabilize hormonal balance. These thoughtfully chosen herbs also aid in alleviating stress and fatigue, paving the way for a more fulfilling and energetic experience. The Lady Fire Capsule seeks to rejuvenate women's intimate health and vitality by nourishing and boosting the reproductive system. Best natural drink to boost libido in women. Herbal tea blends. Try a mix of damiana and ginseng in your herbal tea. Both ingredients have been used for centuries to improve desire. The soothing warmth of tea can also help you relax, creating a perfect mood for intimacy. Beetroot juice. Packed with nitrates, beetroot juice can improve blood circulation, which is essential for arousal. Add a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing twist. Plus, it's vibrant and delicious, making it a fun drink to enjoy with a partner. Coconut water. This hydrating drink is rich in electrolytes and can help balance hormones. Enjoying a glass of coconut water can keep you refreshed and energized, enhancing overall wellness and boosting your libido naturally. Smoothies with avocado and banana. Blend up a smoothie using avocado and banana for a creamy, nutritious treat. Avocados contain healthy fats and vitamin E, while bananas contain bromelain, an enzyme linked to increased libido. This tasty combination can help you feel your best. To naturally boost libido in women, pair these best natural drinks with regular use of the Lady Fire Capsule for 3 months, and watch your vitality soar. You can easily purchase Lady Fire Capsules from ayurvedresearch.com and start your journey to boosting your libido naturally. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video, revealing the best natural libido boosters for women.